To the story now, the Gauteng Department of Social Development hosted an integrated service delivery blitz at Phiri Hall earlier today, bringing government services directly to residents. MEC spokesperson Teddy Gomba says the initiative is designed to improve access to essential support, especially for vulnerable community members. Now, services included food parcel profiling, substance abuse assessments, and assistance from departments such as Health, Home Affairs, Labour and Employment and SASSA.
Umnyango wezenhlalakahle esifundazweni saseGoli uhambise izinsiza ezahlukene emphakathini wasePhiri ngokohlelo lwawo ukwenza zibe lula izimpilo zabantu. Kusenjalo ubese eqhubeka ngokuthi kuyakhathaza ukubona inani labantu eliphumile njengoba kusho ukuthi abantu bantwela imisebenzi.
As you might be aware that a number of people are in need of Home Affairs basically services. So we're obviously bringing those services. We also bringing in other state departments, such as the Department of Labour, where people are able to enroll for skills training and job opportunities that arises. We also provide training through our non-profit organizations that we're funding as a department.
Umphakathi uthole ithuba lokubhalisela amathuba omsebenzi ukulungisa izinkinga zezimali zesondlo sikahulumeni kanye nomazisi.
Through our what we call Sustainable Livelihood Directorate, siyababhalisa ke lapho where abantu are going to be screened. The families are going to be screened, provided with opportunities for skills training, but also will then provide them with food parcels for 3 months whilst we're providing with skills such as plumbing, which might help them to be able to start their own businesses, but also to have a skill that they can utilize to actually have an income.
Lo mkhankaso kulindeleke uqhubeke ezindaweni ezahlukene zesifundazwe ngokuqhubeka kwesikhathi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngisePhiri.